and welcome back to our channel, and today we have our first look at what's new with our Ultra 2. And let's get to it. Here's a first look at our Ultra 2. Beautiful, beautiful. Looks awesome, doesn't it? Here's actually a short guide on how to fold the scooter and the handlebars. All you got to do is unlock the clamps, pull it towards the middle and fold it down. And now folding Ultra 2 is just unlock the clamps, pull it upwards and fold it down. It's as easy as that. So you must be wondering what's new with our Ultra 2. So we have a brand new battery for it. It's 72 volts and 35 Ah. Just like Storm, we have the controller moved to the back, has better heat management, and it also acts as a footrest. So we have hydraulic brakes installed as well, and a different control module as compared to Ultra. And let's not forget the new LED lights on the stem. So we have come to the end of the video. We hope you enjoyed it, and do let us know in the comments section below what sort of videos you actually like to see with our new Ultra 2. And if you do have any feedbacks on how we can improve our videos, let us know in the comments below. You know the drill, like and subscribe, and also don't forget to click the little bell button there. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye!